A nutritious and balanced breakfast is essential for fueling your body and mind for a productive day ahead. Here are some of the best breakfast foods that can provide sustained energy, improve focus, and support overall well-being. 1. Whole grain foods. Opt for whole grain cereals, oatmeal, or whole grain bread, which provide complex carbohydrates, fiber, and essential nutrients. 1. They help stabilize blood sugar levels and keep you feeling fuller for longer. 2. Protein-rich foods. Including protein in your breakfast is vital for maintaining energy levels and keeping you satiated. 2. Good sources of protein include eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, nuts, seeds, and lean meats. 3. Fruits and berries. Fresh fruits and berries are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 3. They add natural sweetness to your breakfast and provide a quick source of energy. 4. Healthy fats. Incorporate healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and seeds into your breakfast. 4. They help with nutrient absorption and provide long-lasting energy. 5. Nut butters. Spread natural nut butter, e.g., almond or peanut butter, on whole grain toast or mix it into your oatmeal for added protein and healthy fats. 6. Vegetables. Add vegetables to your breakfast, such as spinach, bell peppers, or tomatoes. 6. They boost the nutritional content and add flavor. 7. Smoothies. Blend a nutritious smoothie with a combination of fruits, leafy greens, Greek yogurt, and a source of healthy fat like chia seeds or flax seeds. 8. Chia seed pudding. Chia seeds are rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. 8. Mix them with milk or yogurt, let it sit overnight, and enjoy a delicious and nutritious pudding in the morning. 9. Whole eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of protein and essential nutrients like choline, which is important for brain health. 10. Herbal tea or green tea. Consider replacing sugary drinks with herbal tea or green tea for a hydrating and antioxidant-rich beverage. Remember to avoid overly processed and sugary breakfast options, as they can lead to energy crashes and decreased productivity later in the day. Try to incorporate a variety of foods to ensure you get a well-rounded nutrient intake. Additionally, don't forget to stay hydrated throughout the day by drinking water, as even mild dehydration can impact your energy levels and focus. Enjoying a balanced breakfast is just one part of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise, sufficient sleep, and overall dietary habits also play a crucial role in supporting productivity and well-being.